My battery can't be charged.
Don't worry, I will fix it. If the battery cannot be charged, check as follows. 1. Standard installation. What? Why did you install 4 packs? That's not permitted. 1 DC-DC supports a maximum of 3 packs. 2. Appropriate operations. Check the DC-DC switch. Check the battery communications cable. Check whether a battery pack is added. 3. Correct configuration. The M2 inverter cannot be connected to a battery. Only L1 and M1 can connect to a battery. 4. Proper maintenance. Check whether there are fault alarms, such as inverter fault alarm, DC-DC fault alarm, and communication failure alarm. First, turn off the DC-DC switch. Disconnect the battery communications cable. Turn off the inverter switch. Keep the battery still and ask professionals for maintenance.
Come and fix it?
Follow the troubleshooting procedure, and then the battery can be charged properly. We are ready to help you.